inspired to start RHEA as a soil health management company after seeing the level of soil degradation in Kenya, especially affecting smallholder farmers that did not have access to data to guide them on the soil testing that they were supposed to do. They would use guesswork to buy fertilizers, which meant that they were either spending too much money or applying too little of the fertilizer that's required. So this led to very grave soil acidification, and most of them did not even know where they could get soil testing services. So our device works in three simple ways. So you just insert the probes into a soil sample, you press a button that instructs you to test the soil, and then it will run an analysis, and then you can have the results displayed on your screen in about a minute. The most significant challenges I've encountered as a founder, and especially as a women founder, initially was just structuring the initial concept into actualization. So essentially by going from 0 to 1, that was the biggest challenge for us. Determining who to work with, who to pilot and prototype with. But we received guidance very early on that was very helpful in how we were able to set up, and we can attribute our growth to that guidance. We applied for the Women in Tech program because we were looking for a support system that would allow us to essentially overcome the greatest challenge that we had, going from initial concept into going to market. And the Women in Tech program provided that particular structure in terms of coaches and mentorship, but as well as mini MBA modules in terms of how to do organizational structure, people management, legal framework setup, and general compliance, which was very essential to laying the foundation for our business. By going through Women in Tech and taking the lessons that we got, we have been able to grow our team. We've also been able to grow our organizational structures, as well as different standard operating procedures internally that make our process more efficient. The program also has provided us a platform for brand awareness. We've been able to create partnerships just by having gone through the program. It also allowed us to access different types of masterclasses that helped us refine our value proposition and provide better value for the customers that we were serving. Through Standard Chartered, we have managed to get an introduction that allowed us to get our first institutional investor. Through iBiz, we are still invited to and attend different masterclasses that still help us to refine our business and run it better. So we do feel like we have received that level of support. I would tell a female founder that is trying to start a business to start exactly where they are with what they have. As female founders, we tend to overthink and wait until we know exactly that we have unlocked the right time, but to just start, and then the support that you require along the way will come. To also leverage connections and partnerships that will help you build and grow your ecosystem, grow your business through the ecosystem that you have. I would also tell them to apply for the Women in Tech program.